far. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm again here with you all, and what is my today's video? You all know that my birthday vlog. I know that right now I'm looking a little bit weird, but when I will get ready I will look super beautiful. Okay, I am okay lol. So now it is 18th of July 2021, and in just half an hour I will be turning 16 years old, and it is gonna be 19th of July, means my birthday, my special day, my day. I don't know why from the childhood till now I'm very excited, always very excited for my birthday. Maybe because this is my day, this is my special day, and my parents from the childhood till now always tries to make my birthday, make me always feel special, always tries to make me smile. So yeah, and okay, my today's video, you know, my birthday vlog, so I'm going to show you all the things from today 12 am to tomorrow 12 am, means full 19th of July. So stay tuned with me, and if you love the video, then please like the channel, subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified with my video. So guys, fast I will get ready, means I will do makeup, not too much of makeup, like no makeup look I will do, because in the first floor my parents are making some surprises. I'm really very excited to see that. So they gave me this dress. I will show you the full costume, means full dress, full look, and told me to get ready before 12 am. So now I will get ready and I will meet you soon. Finally ready with my makeup and outfit. I'm going to show my outfit later on. Now I think they are calling me, so I will go there. So let's see.
Happy birthday to you. Ashutosh. Happy birthday.
I was literally in shock that time by seeing this decoration. This was so beautiful. I cannot explain that how much I was surprised. And I was literally surprised by seeing Kritika, because I don't know from where she came. She came at 12 am in the night to give me surprise. I was literally so happy, I can't explain. So she is here with me, and now I'm showing you the decoration with off lights, means the lights were off. You can see that how beautiful it is looking, and this decoration is with light on. This also looks so beautiful. This decoration was done by none other than by my mother only. Now I am talking with my friends in call. They were in call. They called me exactly at 12 am. So I am talking with them, you can see, and with me my crazy best friend is sitting, Kritika, and my mother is clicking pictures, recording videos. Means you can see that how I am looking. I was literally so happy. So in Kritika's phone, my friends were in call. So I was talking with them, and this is the cake of the midnight celebration. The smiley one was brought by my mother, and other one brought by Kritika. Homemade cake. Kritika's one was. That cake was made by her mother, and we two are clicking pictures. Now I am giving cakes, and now I will eat. I'm telling that happy birthday to me. Okay, you can see. Here is my mother and my father. And this is my final look. Means this is the look of the midnight celebration. And in the video call, there is my Toto and Dopu. They live in Bangladesh. And in the other one, means in this one, my friends are there. So guys, I finished my dinner. I have done reels. You can check out in my Instagram. And we have clicked many pictures. You will get to see. And now I will freshen up. Means I have changed my dress. Now I will fresh up. Now I will wash my face. I will get ready to sleep. So meet you again soon. Now I am writing in my diary that what happened today, all the things.
Eternity later.
So guys, good morning. I woke up just now. It is now the time is 7:54 a.m. and it is 19th July, my birthday. So ready for my online classes. So meet you soon. Bye. Online classes done, and now I am feeling very sleepy. As yesterday I slept at 3:30 a.m. and I woke up at 7:30 a.m. in the morning. So now I am feeling very sleepy.
We have done our breakfast and now we are enjoying a bit. Someone came, let me see. It's a big surprise. Oh, they are finally here. It is totally a surprise. Thank you. Love you. Okay, so I will meet you. Hello. So they are here, and the most important thing is that we are missing Devadrita a lot.
Yeah.
We are Yeah.
Hello. Please subscribe to her channel. Her videos are so nice and beautiful. Her dance are also so nice. And please subscribe to our channel too. We have another channel.
Yeah. Taput tuput.
No, and we have changed our name. Twinsy.
Okay, Twinsy. I will give the link in the description below. Okay. Multani Mitti face mask on my face pack on my face, and my friends are chilling there. After I have put Multani Mitti in Kritika's face also, you can see. All are laughing. Back again, I took my bath and you can see me. I'm looking so weird, I know that. But now my friends, means Taput Tupur and Kritika, are doing something with their mobile and tabs, means with devices. So now we are watching horror films. The name of the film is The Wrong House. And here is Taput Tupur and Kritika is busy with her phone. Yeah. Tupur, me and Tapur is doing the camera. Once again I am here. We have done lots of masti and all. Finally I am ready for evening celebration that my relatives will come. My friends are already there. So you are gonna show. Sorry, I'm gonna show that to you. So how I am looking, what is my look, I will show you right now. This is my full look, my full dress up. You can see the dress is full red color. Here my father is singing, you can see, and they are enjoying a lot. Here is one of my mama, another mama, Tapur, Kritika and Tupur. We are gossiping. Now we are clicking videos, stylish videos. Stylish. And this, we gave this in Instagram. Tupur is with us and Kritika is little bit busy with some of her works.
But once again, one thing, Debu, I am missing you a lot, and they both are missing a lot.
Missing you so much.
Yes, I will show you everything that what will happen to. I'm saying this to Debu. Debu, we're really missing you. I hope that we will meet soon. And now I'm going to show everything. Okay, let's see.
Now is the time to cut the cake. So all are ready for cutting cake. Means I am ready for cutting cake. So let's get started by murdering the cake. Tapu, Tripur and my mamas are eating dinner. They have to go to their home because as lockdown is going on, so they have to go.
They are going. It is almost 9 o'clock, but they can't leave anymore because lockdown is going on. So they will go now. Bye bye. Bye bye. Please subscribe and like our channel.
Kritika is see-offing them, means I also. So tata, tapu tupu. Here they are arguing, means that funny arguments are going on. This I was literally laughing, so I muted this part. Here my Dodon, my Tondra Didi, my Dadu, then my Didi means Ranga's mother. They are eating their dinner. So guys, now I am totally exhausted. Means totally exhausted. All of them left already. No, some are there. They are taking their dinner, means eating their dinner. Now I got the chance, means full freely I got the chance to talk with you all and to connect with you all. So now I stay a lot. This was so special day, so memorable day. All the time my birthday is always memorable only. But this time also I felt a little bit memorable because as lockdown is going on, after that also my close ones tried to give me surprise, tried to come in my birthday, tried to make my day so special. So thank you so much, but let me tell you one important thing, that is we maintained all the precautions of COVID-19. We sanitized. Birthday cake means today's evening cake was gave by my uncle Dipal uncle. So thank you so much for giving this beautiful awesome cake. And so these are some pictures with my Dadu, my Dodon. These are some happy moments that I had in my birthday. I really enjoyed a lot. If you people have enjoyed today's video, the vlog, then please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to never miss any update from my channel. And what suggestion you want to give me in the description below. And here is the picture with my uncle, and these are pictures. So bye bye, stay tuned for next video.